Hi, this is Math Star, page number 21, mental maths that we are going to do here for this one. This is for chapter 1, large numbers. So these are some of the questions which are given in that mental maths and it is really nice one. So let us check out. The first question is the period of 7 in this particular number 7580654 is. So I mentioned about periods in my previous video where I have mentioned about place value and face value. Periods are like the families of number. So let us first write this number 7, 5, 8, 0, 6, 5, 4. Okay. So these three numbers which are in ones, tens and hundreds, they are in ones period. After that, these two are in thousands period. Now here I am mentioning only the Indian number system. If it is international, it will be different. And these two, that is 75, they are in lakhs period. Okay. So if you consider the Indian number system, this will be in lakhs. The period of lakhs in Indian number system, I would like to tell you, Indian. Okay. So, however, let us check out what will happen if it is international. So you see in this case, in the case of international, the first 654, they will definitely be in ones period only. After that, these three digits, that is 5, 8 and 0, these three, they will be in thousands place, sorry, thousands period. And this one will be in millions. So in international, you can say that 7 is in million period. Okay, if it is international. So these are the two ways in which you can at least express your answer. Now, let us go with the next one question. So next question is we add 1 to a given number to get the dash of a number of the number. So now when we say add 1, let us say for example 5 plus 1, you will get 6. 7 plus 1, you will get 8. So what exactly is happening here? You see 5 and then you 6, 7 and then you get 8. These kind of addition where you're adding 1 and getting the immediate next number, they are called as successor. Okay. So answer here will be successor of the number. Okay, successor is a word we used when we get the immediate next number. Okay, and here if you see, if you have observed, this is the next question where they're saying predecessor. So predecessor is the number where we are subtracting 1. Successor is when we are adding 1. Predecessor is when we are subtracting 1. So here they are asking directly. The question is direct. The predecessor of this number is. What is the predecessor of this number? So all you have to do is you just have to subtract 1 here and get the answer. Okay, so in this case, if you have seen, the answer will be 4752099. Okay, so this will be the answer here. So if you go for Indian system, you can read it as 47 lakhs 52,099. Then successor of 1 million is. Successor of 1 million. Let's write 1 million first. So this is for the ones period. This is for the thousands period. And you got 1 million. So now successor, as I told in the previous question, we have to add 1. So you will add 1 here and this is your answer here. So 1 million 1. The answer here will be 1 million 1. That's it. And complete the sequence. Next question is complete the sequence. So whenever you have to do complete the sequence and you get this kind of number, first of all, you always find out what is the skip count, what is the rate. like how they are increasing, whether it is plus 10, plus 1, or it is minus 10, minus 100, what is it? Now here you see the numbers are increasing to the right. That means definitely we are adding number. So to find what we are adding here, you take the consecutive numbers, that means one after another. Let's say you take these two numbers, write the second number first. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to find out what number are we adding here. Okay, so you see, if you find it, if you do the subtraction, you will get 1 1 1 1. That means if you are adding 1 1 1, that is 1111 to all the number, you are getting the next number. Okay, so we will add 1 1 1, that is 1111. You will be getting 5555 here. Okay, put a comma if you want to, and this is your answer here. Okay, let's move to the next questions. So this is a nice one. This is something plus something is missing, plus 1 is equal to 2375100. Now whenever you have to find the addends, whenever there is a question where you have to find the addends, all you have to do is subtract the addend from the sum. Now in this question, something plus 1 is equal to this number. Okay, this number. So these two are addend. Always remember, when addend is missing and this is sum. When addend is missing, you need to subtract the addend, the second addend, from the sum to get the other addend. That is simple rule. So here you will subtract 1. Here you will subtract 1 to get the missing addend. So let's subtract it here. Okay. So if you subtract it, you will see you will be getting it here 9905732. So your missing number is 2375099. And this one you have to subtract. This is a direct question. You just have to subtract. So just subtract it. So here you will be getting your answer will be, let's write it, 9 9 9 9 9 and 9. Okay, so this is in case of Indian number system, this will be 9,99,999. Okay, so the next question is the place value of 6 in this number. Okay, now let us first write the number in here. 1635427 So if you put commas as per the Indian number system, you will see 6 is in the lakhs period and the place is 10 lakhs. So if you go for the Indian system, the answer here will be 60 lakhs. Okay, this is as per Indian system. But what will happen if it is international system? Let's put the commas as per the international number system. So if you put it, you will see 3-digit here. Okay. So you see this will be in million place. So this is 6 million. So in international number system, this will be 6 million. Okay. This is international. Okay. Okay. So next one now here. The question is 572679 rounded up to the nearest 1000 is. So as I have, if you can check out the video on rounding off in my previous videos, there I have clearly mentioned how you have to find the numbers, how you have to round off the numbers. I have told you the whole process. You can go through the video and do accordingly. So here I will directly go to the question. So here you see the number in the thousands place is 2. Next to 2 is 6, which is bigger than 5. So this will become 3. 2 will become 3. So 573 this. This is the answer. Now this is CDX. Question number 10 is the Roman number CDX. if you remember, here also I told you how to get this number. Now what is C? C is 100. What is D? If you remember, it's 500. And what is X? X is nothing but 10. Now, as per the rule that I have already mentioned, as per the Roman rules, if a smaller number is to the left of a bigger number, you have to subtract. So here you see this is CD plus X. C is a smaller number than D, right? C is smaller than D. So you will subtract here 500 minus 100 and then you will add 10. So your answer will be 410. So here it is 410. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Answer these questions. What is the smallest 8-digit number called? So as far as they are not putting any conditions like this should be odd number, even number, or the numbers has to be repeated, not repeated, whatever. So in this case, they have not mentioned anything. They are directly asking what is the smallest 8-digit number. It will have a lot of zeros. Okay. So let's put the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. As you can see, it's 1 crore. This is an Indian number system. Okay. So this is as per the Indian number system that I have put here. 1 crore. Yes. Okay. How many lakhs is in 1 crore? Now we have already written here 1 crore. Whenever you get this kind of question, just find out where is lakhs. So you see this is your lakhs, right? This is your lakhs. So keep till reserve. Forget about these things. Whatever is left, that's your answer. This is 100 lakhs. The answer is 100 lakhs. So if they are saying 1000, go till 1000 and what rest of the thing you just remove it. That's the way you have to do it. So that's 100 lakhs. Now it says 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? Okay. So let's write 1 million first. Okay. 1 million. So this is ones period, thousands period, and then we have got 1 million. Now you see this is 6 zeros here. Okay. Let's write the answer. Let's rewrite this number in Indian number system. This is international. Okay. But they want to know how many lakhs are there. So let's write it back in Indian system. Okay. So here is the Indian system. You see total number of zeros is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm separating it here. So now let's put the zeros as per Indian number system here. So you see how many lakhs. Sorry, how many lakhs are there in 1 million? 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? Now you can see here clearly how many lakhs are there, right? It is 10 lakhs. You can see here. This is lakhs. So it is 10 lakhs. Here it is 10 lakhs. Let me write 10 lakhs. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4. Okay. This is question number 4. Question number 4 is what is the smallest 7-digit number formed using the digit 940? 3 digits are given and we are supposed to form the 7-digit number formed using the digit this. Smallest, not biggest. Remember smallest. So whenever it is the smallest number, we always start with the smallest number. But here is a take. The thing is here we have a 0 here. So whenever 0 is there, we never start any number with 0. For example, if you think that you will write like this is completely a wrong number. This is only a 2-digit number. It's 49. It's 049 is not a number. Okay. So what you will do? You will first write 4. Okay. 4. They want 7-digit numbers. This is 1 digit. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 is another digit here. And what they are saying? What is the smallest 7-digit number using the digit? That means we have to repeat the digit. 7-digit number you cannot form using only 3 digit unless you can repeat it, right? So you have to repeat the digit. The number that you will repeat is 0 in this case. But the last digit will be occupied by 9 because we have to use all the digits. So let's fill up all the numbers, all the blank space with 0. So here it is. This is the smallest number that you can form using 9, 4 and 0. Okay. So this is how we have to do. Let's move to the next question. So next question is, what number will you get on adding 1 to the greatest 7-digit number? So whenever it is greatest, obviously it has to have 9 there, unless there are some conditions. Like let us say they don't want odd number, then obviously 9 cannot be there in the ones place. Okay. So here they are saying 7-digit number and they have not mentioned any such thing. They are directly saying what you will get if you're adding 7-digit number 1 to the greatest 7-digit number. So obviously you will get the smallest 8-digit number, but let's check it first. So let's write the 7-digit, greatest 7-digit number first. So this is 7-digit number. Let's add 1. Remember, when we are adding 1, we are trying to get the successor. That is another term. So you see, we are now doing it. And here we go. So you see the number is 1 crore. So what you will get if you get to add 1 to the greatest 7-digit number. So let's write it. Okay. I hope this is visible. So how many hundred thousands make 1 million? Okay. How many? Okay, I would like you guys to do this. I would like to see if you have understood what I told you in the previous question. Okay. So let me know the answer in the comment box if you are able to solve it on your own. I know the answers are given at the back of the book if you go through it and you can check it. But how about you do it yourself and provide the answer in the comment box so that I know if you have understood or not, or you can reach out personally also. So which number comes after this? So question number 7 now. Which number comes after this number? That is 7, 5, and then there are a lot of 9. If you see, a lot of 9. So to get the next number, obviously you need to add 1, right? So they just want to know the successor. So this is the number. You can see 76 lakh. So this is the number you are getting here. Okay. So next. So country A has a population of this. So, okay, so let us do it in Indian way, Indian number system. So let me put the commas. So 7 crore 64 lakhs 31,281. That's the population of country A. Its area is, again, let us put in Indian system. So 12 lakhs 87,263 square kilometer. Then country B has a population of this. Okay, this is the population and an area of this. Fill the correct. Country A has more or less population. So country A has, if you see very properly, they have same digit in lakhs and crore periods, right? Only numbers are changing in thousands. In the case of B, it is 32,000, and in the case of A, it is 31,000. 32,000 is bigger than 31,000. So yes, country B has more population. Since here they're asking for country A, so okay, this has got less population. Okay, now country B has more population. What about the area? Let's check the area. So you can put comma and you can check same thing. You see here in the thousands place, country A has 87,000, but country B has 86,000. So country B has less area. So that's all for mental maths that is given in Math Star grade 5. Thank you so much for watching.